Welcome to 20 Muscle Cars, your ultimate destination for powerful machines. Today, we dive into the rebirth of an icon, the 2025 Plymouth Barracuda. A legend from the 70s returns with modern muscle and a striking design that pays homage to its heritage. Classic yet aggressive, the new Barracuda features a long, sculpted hood, wide stance, and signature retro-inspired grille. LED headlights and taillights blend seamlessly with its aerodynamic body, while massive air intakes hint at the power beneath. Inside, it's a perfect fusion of nostalgia and modern tech. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching, a driver-focused cockpit, and a digital analog instrument cluster bring back the old-school vibe with new-age functionality. A 12-inch touchscreen with the latest infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system ensure top-tier connectivity. Under the hood, the next-gen Barracuda packs a supercharged 6.2L HEMI V8 producing up to 797 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic or optional 6-speed manual. The all-new adaptive suspension and Brembo brakes offer precise control, making it a true beast on the road and track. Advanced safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera, ensuring a secure and confident drive. Pricing starts at around $65,000 for the base model, while the top-tier Hellcat variant could go beyond $90,000. The return of the Barracuda is nothing short of legendary, blending the past and the future into a muscle car masterpiece. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more muscle car updates. Stay tuned for more power-packed content.